Hey ninjas! Want to learn how to fluid simulation in Blender? Let's get started. Here I have this cup type of thing, and we are going to add a sphere as a water source. Then while selecting sphere, go to Object Quick Effects, then Quick Liquid. New domain is created. Adjust this like this. Now you can just copy my this default setting. Play with this surface thickness for your base object. 1.3 works best for me. Now we are going to bake this. Here you have nice fluid simulation. Let's add some coffee machine to give this scene some life. So this is how you guys can create fluid simulation in Blender. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching till here. See you in the next one.